Hello YouTubers, this is JTMer22 and today I'll be showing you my second video in my Python series, and this is where we're actually going to start to get into coding. Last video I showed you how to get idle, and that is going to be the program that we were going to be using for this Python series. So first what you need to do is open up idle, and after you have idle open, drag it to the middle of your screen and then click enter. So you get these three little dash marks right there. Okay, if you want, you can even make it bigger, but I'll probably zoom into the middle of the screen, that way you can just see the middle. So first what this is this is like open source. Well, Python is open source, but this is we're going to be typing in one command and one thing's going to happen. So first we're going to learn how to get the computer to talk back to us and get some words to appear. So you're going to type in print, which is a command that means like show the controller this. And as you see, print will turn purple. It may turn different colors for you depending on the version you have. But then you just do open parenthesis, then the quotation mark things, and then whatever word you want. I'm going to do hello YouTube. And with the quotation marks and close parenthesis. Click enter. As you see, it just said hello YouTube. You could do that with any words, or with anything. Now we're going to show you how you could type a long command over and over and over without, whenever you're pushing enter, you can get an answer. So to do that, you go to file, click new file, just like that, boom. As you can see, you don't have any of the words. When you click enter, you don't get the three little lines. And that is because right now what you're doing is you're getting rid of like the thing. Whenever you push enter, it will give you the answer. So now if I just paste this in a couple of times, as you see, when I'm clicking enter, it's not giving me hello YouTube. But then when I go up to run and run module, okay, you have to save it first. There, it gives me hello YouTube 3 times. So that is just an example on how to quickly use how to make it just say any words up on the screen that you want. You can make them as short or as long as you want. We are going to be using this a lot in this series because we're going to have things where like you're going to have the computer talk to you and you're going to put in answers and it's going to give it back to you. So next we're going to do calculating with this, and this is just covering chapters 1 and 2 easily. So of course, to do addition, you do like, of course, enter 8 plus, oops, sorry. Okay, so then you do like 8 plus 8, and it will give you the answer 16. So for multiplication, no, you would not do like 8x8 would not equal that, because x is a letter. So in order to do that, you do 8 with, if you click shift and then click the 8 again, you get the asterisk, and then 8 again, that's the multiplication symbol, and you get 64. Or you can do 64 slash 8 would be divided, and it goes 0.0 because most of the time when you're dividing something, it doesn't go in evenly, so it always gives you that. So you could do like 64 divided by 7, and it'll give you the answer to that. So that is basically chapters 1 and 2 just summed up there. But there's other stuff you can do, like if you want to add like parentheses and order of operations and stuff like that. When you do, let's say 5 plus 30 times 20. So if we do 5 plus, plus 30 times 20, 5 plus 30 times 20, we would get 605, right? But then if we put the parentheses around 5 plus 30, and then close parenthesis and then times 20, we get 700 instead of 605. So you can also do order of operations with this. We're also going to do variables that are like labels. So we can do a name just like Paul or Fred or Jim, we could do like Fred equals 100, and then whenever we would do print Fred, we would get 100. So if I do that, like, here I'll go, Fred equals, or space equals 100, right? And then if I do print open Fred close this, you would not put parentheses around because it's not a you don't want it to print the word Fred, you want it to print what it equals. So as you see now, I get 100. So those are printing variables that are labels, using variables to be labels. So you can also do something like the name John. John equals Fred, and then Fred equals 200. So then when you go print John, it would go 200. Or you could do something like number of coins equal 200 for a game, and then you could do print number of coins whenever they would click on it, and it would get you to be like 200. And then you could also do like you do found coins equals 20, magic coins equals 10, stolen coins equals 3. So you do found coins plus magic coins times any number minus the stolen coins, and then you could get your answer. So that's like another thing for video games. Anyway, guys, that is it. We just right there summed up chapters 1 and 2 in one quick video here. So that is basically how to do printing stuff on the screen using instant command and using something where like you can type up a whole series of events. And then we also did some simple math and some variable naming. So this will conclude the first video of my Python series. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you guys.